na keke ni abeg chief no go baba wa talk besa wa to la ki camera baba mi do atan baba wa to because akpe chief we mu yodan ma keke we agbon with akpe chief with
oh the prince the chief ni ehin where are
the pagwan
Ruden kinije otemege ago we buade when why the material na we mama say you was mention the name of Anini Revo ni mekere bu mo no kwa Revo Anini so and me ma onu kpo na bio da gele bi we na ya mo Anini woji la kwa to nu taban
we don't want where it don't want right akigbe wa
unu kpo
don't want right
ye na mo Anini
ye ti be aro bi okan
dame yo o mai ka go wo kan me ma be ka go wo kan we hin now
yes
du kpo na mo Anini woji
we say baba ike so ya ibi won ye go le tani ya o ni mi o gba o when we bury
when we camera we tamo baba make na one
so that we got know what me got tell to that way
dey maru e camera o kin asset
o da we set are audio we ake wa gu me bo we do wa no go na mo ni where we camera na itama with the year the date and the time the way confirm date me we talk na give news ni na give news
na me yo
be na money me Bena we amuni ebe tamawe. Iya.
Emi vai do nowhere. Me ma I not come for camera.
Because the truth of the matter is that you cannot be on audio camera and be asking me on a video where
if I don't feel ask you this question and if you don't give me, I know that people here, intellectual people are here.
No, you have to on your camera and you say you are a chief of Oliya of Ugu Kingdom. I've never heard of Ugu Kingdom in my life.
Yes.
Imagine that you're Ugu. So
Ugu
I don't know.
Yes, don't please. We might Ugu wekere I don't please.
Me Ugu kere u mekere.
I hope you see we.
But era na do nyu.
I hope you see we him. But I
was we eri no gwa but eri na do nyu o you my you.
But twen there's gbogbo ma e pharmacy ma he.
But please.
Yeah.
Why are chief na?
Roma Jena, chief in Roma, cassette.
Boy, I like chief here. The chief in the be out.
Dame yo me, ago. Dame yo go magwane. Otwenge, senior brother, we get this book. Yeah, no quality as white as. Everywhere.
Yeah.
No praise. I don't know they understand you sometimes, bros.
No, me talk now. Where the no cap going?
No, you don't get anything one talking. I don't understand. Oh, mama take your camera. Oh, wait if you don't ever hear of Ugu Kingdom for Benin City. Nitoria. We did something here. We are talking of something.
Ejoma, when we jikata mo, na we Ejoma. You don't ever hear of Ejoma with the camera way, so that even they do ya beg we because not believe you.
We ne do ya dere me aron paro no mai me udi na mai.
Imawe ula camera.
Au kin no hia me dere go so
na severio na.
I think me the boy na mama
chief no. Chief Oliya. I've never heard of Ugu Kingdom.
Latina be Roma.
What is
it? Chief last year coming now in Berry. Is there any Ugu Kingdom in the Edo State?
The platform is
okay, camera.
Tie MCV Napoli Dr. Ogbodu.
Italy shift now.
Every time on one way outside the
Wa so wo ogbu e. Wa bo lo egbe.
We are
waiting for work. We're taking if a baller, may a bubble not bubble with us.
Now chief of a good kingdom. Local government.
Where you say you be
No, what about make sure Teneba? What about make sure your senior brother here? What about make sure? What about you make sure? A marriage in Etaba, a marriage in Etaba with Napoli for you to make sure me we marriage in Napoli. We have no many here. What about official Mr. Bodua? What about you no make sure?
This is our Oba we are saying.
When you make sure now, when mama you make sure the Park Bodu, you know who's the Park Bodu in Napoli.
My brother, when it comes to my Oba,
a senior brother many make sure he is a big man, a big person of a chief palace. And there's Boboyano is a big chief palace.
When it comes to my Oba, Iyaku, how can you say you are a chief of a good kingdom? I've never heard of such in my life. I'm not a baby. Your mama, I've never heard of such.
If you don't call that for this life, go browse about a good kingdom. Now only for
good chief only. Come
on the video camera. He will introduce himself well. Then I will give him a listening ear.
Enogie, you see what will happen tomorrow? Our honorable chief is coming here to come and lecture us tomorrow.
For you to accuse her where Dupo number who this one did sorry where we Dupo Emena Wanini Dupo Namwe this for you to your clan board they accuse somebody. You're wrong.
God bless you, sir.
They will not chief of the accusing or a camera. Where like the camera? I introduce it.
Camera. The first thing the camera. But you need to oppress him. You need to oppress him. Okay, we don't remember with camera.
Many people they are no. This one are many people they are. That man wrong.
Me come me not tell what chief do.
I'm a broken
no priest no ge mutiane no ge la wogola mutiane
no madam call
don priest wewe o mu oba mu ogo rivi uma bege mana no osieti na ne e mana no wa we na see ai na e mana akedo mi ko lema o ye made mistake oh you with video ya apologize if do ya ke palace we wa sorry ye teta ye marita. But we na see I e ma mere na yan do asiye zone man or do asiye zone man ni ma ba en ba
okay the man with
a president now because I'm a president now or roto na no see zona so don't priest ni tama we una general bi oba be na obi oba o me do vera we agbera no one a right Enogie or what fight je right now Enogie is right
platform me we make nice sort
don't please
nice to get a problem platform me make nice to get a problem
don't please move any time away then a man are you we na then I we me then I done then don't please don't please gume baba gume bro they no re na o ma be ye mu who we no we regbe yimia mo be ga gun yai forgive
but no be egun na don't be when I want more egun
don't please because you dey support no
trying to make sure me ga wa nonsense I'm trying to make sure me no dey try this nonsense again I no want me dey instigate violence for social media.
A part of the same yet I respect no Edonia. No give they know what I band of priest. When I yawe me. Who wet now will walk in a power with a bane. Who wet president now will whip power with a bane.
Okay, president, unmute yourself, president. I apologize to the old I beg. Apologize again.
Apologize no be
I'm using this medium and this opportunity given to me.
But why you know the whole camera? Why you know the one? Why they don't see you? Why they don't see you for camera, Mr. President?
I know the social media person. But
if you come like say they instigate with
social media person. If you want cause you be social media person. Brother, video.
Prince, Chebu women not changing it. If you are taking with Vanetia, I know you will give
no, I beg. This man make apologize now.
And the man out here to.
My brother, Mr. President, I apologize to the whole Benin, the whole Edo land.
I apologize. I'm using this medium given to me by the wonderful people of Edo, Iviedo.
Yes.
I am apologizing for all the things I've said and every wrong thing I've said to the palace, to the prestigious palace of the Oba of Benin.
The prince now.
Enogie, let her finish now.
Wait. Amen. If you
no
get
black is
beautiful Mudia. Amen. If you get Guanania, or don't we appreciate Tony Kabaka, your apology. No, clear. Wait a minute,
clear.
Maybe if I say Tony Kabaka, no, Tony Kabaka, my brother, Tony Kabaka face here.
No, my senior. So for when I did Benin, my senior bro, he know me one-on-one like this. Tony Kabaka.
Come on, put your push up. We want to know you, bro.
Now Tony Kabaka,
I put my picture then.
We want to know you, bro.
Because as you put a part Tony Kabaka picture, you mean if you say maybe you don't know say no good money they use. As I say,
na peace na me want.
Like part Tony Kabaka picture, that big name.
Oh, the boy we atta me will not good this thing.
No, as in, Enogie, when my man will picture a picture, people can use the picture. Tony Kabaka will be small bit. Oh, we are here.
A young man, no.
Now,
maybe that.
Now, we not flash your face, bro, so that we can use it to observe if it is this one.
Oh, Mr.
Now, maybe this now.
No, he's working in federal ministry.
They can't apologize. They
I apologize to
Let it
use your
my brother.
People where they do bad, they can never come on camera. They can never come on camera. He can never come on camera.
Oh, see, you get second phone there. I want to tell you my account. Go, make it go search for my name.
Listen. Let's do your apology finish.
Let him finish our apology.
Fair do your apology finish.
Yeah, I want to use this medium to apologize to the wonderful people of Edo State for everything where I don't talk to them and all the pain I've caused them. I apologize. I also want to use this medium to let them know that I did not act out of, action. I was just everything where I do now reaction to the things some people like Enogie, Izemorui did to me on this social media, and I was responding to them.
Okay, let me tell you something. If you continue to do it again, what will happen to you? Tell it to the world.
Yes, if I continue to insult the Benin people without provocation, if I continue to insult the Edo people out of provocation, without provocation, may God punish me.
May God punish me. You said
may God punish me. May God punish me.
No, listen. You say may the ancestors of Edo land destroy you. Listen, you say may the ancestors of Edo land destroy you.
Yes. If I ever insult the
or instigate problem again Edo Sabah space.
Yes.
Or
if I ever insult,
may the Edo land, may the spiritual gods of Edo land continue to disturb your entire life.
So if I ever instigate or constitute nuisance within the Edo cyberspace without any provocation, may God punish me and may the ancestors of Edo hunt me down.
Okay. Say if
bless you, Kakabo.
Listen, we to buwe we man we down with him. We no wa we go na worry one to down with him me wakeka. Master na because men meji if I'm a prophet, imagine a prophet. When you attack with the priest, if this boy continue to go and do nonsense tomorrow, or you know everybody man. E bono ve man na log e log me the prince. Imeri yan lula me. Enogie mene because you don't know you very born we are where the land of the gods of the land should be continue to disturb it, to continue to give you problem.
Yes, as long as I'm not doing it out of nonsense.
Listen.
Everything where I do, provocation.
I don't fair tell you, brother. Listen to me. Not the first you wise. You're not wise. Me, okay? Man, I tell you, as a learned man, where you be, I told you that there are some people, some refrats, who is instigating problem. If those one are instigating, you don't have right to instigate with them.
Okay, let me use this medium to swear for those useless people now.
With some refrat who claim they are doing, I don't know what they are doing. So if they are instigating, you yourself don't have right to instigate.
Yes, all the useless people that have been instigating and making me insult the palace of being people like Enogie, Easy Omori,
are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed that a woman where they piece of back that instigate you? You know the shame. Now, woman, if you instigate me not to be doing nonsense, can Ivie instigate me to be doing nonsense? Are you not a big bone fool for letting Ivie to instigate you? You are a kid. You are not a boy. You are not a man. For you to be saying it, you think you are using it as a prestige. How can Ivie with a piece of back, then go to instigate you? Are you not ashamed?
Piece from back. The same is also part of this wonder.
So, my brother, listen, those people cannot instigate you. You get evil mind. Forget. Say they join you, sis. You get evil mind. You need to repent, finish. Repent, finish. You cannot fight for
I agree with you.
Repent, finish. I know what I tell you. If you are repenting, repent. If you are not repenting, you think you can manipulate me and winch. Go ask questions. They fly. I've been winch.
Guy, I know they manipulate you.
You don't manipulate me. I'm not trying to make sure, say, may you deactivate or may you come up for all those areas where you they do. All those things where you go, they jam or keep they do all those things. I don't need that. You understand me? So,
guy, I know go there since the day when we talk. If anybody say I go there, may they bring evidence.
God bless you. So from now, you see how they bring you. Even Enogie they verse on me because of your matter. Because of your matter now.
As they defend me, your own no go spoil.
So me now, I'm begging you from today, continue to preach good. Preach peace. Preach peace. If you see say people will not get sense, they don't. Until they say you don't know what you are doing. Even though say they insult my king, I can never insult about fini. Or bag a talk by. You go see you will see and say that person where they insult you to. Listen, you will see and say that person where they insult you shame will cash out. You hear me? So person where they insult you so shame will enter your body. If you feel command, the person tells you, you say, if you think say you insult my king, I will insult you. I know will insult you because I respect Oba Bini. Oba Bini is our father. I will continue to respect him. Say that one 3 times. If you go, you shape 10 hours.
I beg, host, just give me 1 minute.
The music of that boy,